At Cipe, we streamline technology for franchise success because we believe consolidation is key to scale. Over the years, we've built a world-class team that deploys cutting-edge technology infrastructure and provides reliable managed services to the QSR franchise industry. We've had the privilege to partner and scale with some of the nation's top franchise groups. We provide maximum value by aggregating all the major areas of technology into one simplified vendor partnership, providing everything from managed networks, voice-over IP phones, cellular backup, surveillance, and audio-visual solutions. Opening a new location? Most businesses juggle multiple vendors, coordinate separate installations, and manage countless invoices. We streamline this into one vendor, one installation, one bill. Our dedicated project managers work directly with your construction team to ensure your custom technology package is seamlessly deployed on time and on budget. Our team of technical support agents are available 24/7 to ensure your team has the support they need when issues arise. And when a true professional is needed to resolve a complex technical issue, our vast network of local technicians can be dispatched quickly, giving you boots on the ground when you need them. Whether you're operating 5 locations or 500, we scale with you. Our technology packages are tailor-made to fit your business priorities, and all of our systems are designed with support in mind, making troubleshooting simple and easy for any team member. For over a decade, we've been a trusted partner for industry-leading brands, managing technology across thousands of locations. Let us partner with you. From your first location to your 100th, Cipe is your enterprise single-source technology partner, expediting deployment and simplifying support. Cipe, streamlining technology for franchise success. Schedule a call with our team today at cipesolutions.com/get started.